I got more views, more watch hours, more subscribers, and even more revenue in the last 28 days for doing these three simple things. These are things anyone can replicate and get more views on his or her channel. So if you're a small creator struggling to get more views, let me show you three things I did differently in the last 28 days that helped my channel get this massive number of views, subscribers, watch hours, and revenues. Now, if you look at it, it's almost 200,000 views in the last 28 days. Now, imagine your channel getting 50,000, 100,000 views in the next 28 days as a small channel. It's going to completely change the game for you. So let's get into it. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Chiamaka. On this channel, I teach you how to launch, grow, and monetize your channel. If this is the thing you love, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it. Let's do this together. So the first thing I did differently in the last 28 days that helped my channel grow really fast is jumping on trends. Guys, trends work all the time. So what was that trend I jumped on that helped my channel get more views and subscribers? YouTube monetization updates. So a couple of weeks ago, YouTube announced a change in the monetization policy. And I was among the first people that jumped on this topic, made a lot of videos on the topic. And trust me, it really helped me a lot. So I made a couple of videos on that topic. So these are the videos I made on this particular trend. And if you look at it, you'll see that they got more views than normally my videos get. But here is the catch. I didn't just make those videos like back to back on the trend. No, I smartly brought in my normal kind of content. So the views on these ones, the traffic on these videos will rub off on my normal videos. So if you look at it, you see that I'll create a video on the trend. The next one is my normal content. The next one is the trend. The next one is my normal content. And it was strategic. The goal was to use the traffic on this trend to show my audience, the new people coming in contact with my videos for the first time, show them the kind of content I make on a regular basis. And did it work? Yes, it worked. Because if you look at the normal videos, they actually performed very well. So as a creator, jumping on a trendy topic in your niche is the biggest secret to getting more views. Because trends means that people are currently looking for this topic. So if you're able to create video on that topic, a lot of people are looking for, you will get a lot of views even if you have 0 subscribers, because you are simply providing answers to a question that is currently being asked. So here's the deal. As a small creator, you need to always look out for trendy topic in your niche. The goal is to make sure that the topic you are talking about is something that's related to what you do. So you don't jump on random trends, because this will kill your channel. So you want to get more views on your channel, always look out for trends that you can jump on. And when you deliver it, make sure you give value in those videos. With this, you are going to get more views on your videos on your channel than you've ever got. The second thing I did differently in the last 28 days that's helping my channel get this number of views is consistency. So I've had a lot of gurus say you should not be consistent, don't post videos consistently, don't come on here every day and make videos, because it's going to kill your channel. Now, here's the truth. If you're able to create valuable content consistently, you will grow 10 times more than those that are not consistent. Now, don't let any guru slow your speed. Most of these creators telling you don't post consistently, if you check it, they don't post consistently. So it's more like they're telling you not to do it because they cannot do it. That is slowing your speed down. So here's the secret nobody is telling you. YouTube favors recency, consistency. If you're able to create fresh content as often as possible, YouTube algorithm will give you visibility more than it used to. The truth is, YouTube platform itself wants fresh content on the platform, because people come on YouTube every day. In fact, people visit YouTube 5 times, 10 times a day. And YouTube wants every time people come on this platform to show them something new, something different from what they have seen before. And that's why, as you can see here, you can see that every video that is new, YouTube gives it new, telling you that this is something new, you should go watch it. And of course, YouTube gives more publicity, like pushes those videos more than the old ones. So if you can create valuable content consistently, please do, because YouTube algorithm favors recency. So if you can create videos once a day, once in 2 days, once in 3 days, twice a week, please do that, because it will help you get more views than you've ever gotten the moment you become consistent. So here is a proof that YouTube favors recency. This is YouTube telling me that I got more views on my videos simply because I created more content in the last 28 days. So don't let anybody tell you, oh, don't post consistently, it's going to ruin your views, it's going to ruin your channel, because they too cannot do it. And that's why they're telling you not to do it. So you don't outshine them. So when you post consistently, you refine your creative skills, because the more you create, the better you become at creating. And the more often you do that, the faster you become better at the skill of content creation. The second secret is that when you post more content, you trigger YouTube algorithm in your favor, because the moment YouTube sees that something new is coming and people are enjoying it, why won't they give you visibility? And finally, with more content, you become everywhere. Every time people show up on this platform, they see your content. Before you know it, you become a popular face, somebody they know, like, and trust. This is the easiest way to grow a YouTube channel in 2025. And the third thing I did that helped my channel get more views is multiple thumbnails. Let me explain this, because I've heard a lot of creators tell you, just create one thumbnail, don't waste money, don't waste time, don't even switch, don't change thumbnails, because it's going to ruin your views. Algorithm is not going to recognize the video again. They are not telling you the truth. My biggest secret to getting more views in the last 28 days is multiple thumbnails. And I'll tell you how. For every video I uploaded in the last 28 days, I made 3 thumbnails for each and every one of them. So I would upload the video, give it 24 hours, go back and check the performance of the thumbnail, which is called the CTR, click-through rate. If the performance is not high, if the CTR is low, I'll go on and change the thumbnail to another thing. And most times I found out that after changing the thumbnail, the CTR goes high. Here's the truth. It takes CTR to get more views. So if the CTR of a video is low, it simply means that people don't like it. People are not clicking. But the moment you have a high performing thumbnail, which is the high CTR, people are clicking, people are watching. So here's one thing I learned in the last 28 days. Be obsessed with clickability. If your videos are getting clicks, you're getting views. If your videos are not getting clicks, you're not getting views. So here's what I do. Every time I upload a video, I make at least 3 thumbnails. And after 24 hours, I will go back to my analytics and check how the thumbnail is performing. If I don't like the performance, I'm going to switch, like remove that old thumbnail and put another one. Most times it works in my favor. And if after some time that one is not performing as high as I want it, I'll change the third one or even go back to the first one. The goal is to make sure that the clicks are coming, because it's only the clicks that gets the views. So when these gurus tell you don't switch your thumbnails, it's going to affect the algorithm. Algorithm is no longer going to recognize the video. They forgot that biggest YouTubers we have right now change their thumbnails. Somebody like Mr. Beast would upload a video with a thumbnail. After some time, he will change the thumbnail. vidIQ, just name those big channels you know, they all change thumbnails. So why would somebody with less than 20 subscribers tell you what to do when people with millions of subscribers are doing the opposite? So as a creator, you need to be very smart. Use only the advice that work. And one of them is to always check your thumbnail's performance. If it's not doing well, it means that people don't like the thumbnail. Get them something they like, because what it takes to get views on YouTube is title, thumbnail, and the hook. If you get these 3 things right, you will start getting more views on your videos as a small channel. Now, let me know in the comment section, how many views do you usually get in a month? Drop it in the comment section. Then go back to your channel, go back to your content creation and apply these 3 things I showed you right now. In the next 28 days, come back to this result and let's see what you do. Okay. Now, in the next 28 days, come back to this video and compare your next 28 days performance with the last 28 days performance and see if there's no difference. I mean, improvement in the performance. These are things nobody wants you to know. Okay, so if you jump on trends, which means you are making videos on topics a lot of people are looking for, you post consistently, you are always in the faces of people with valuable content, and you are always paying attention on the thumbnail performance, which is what actually brings the clicks and the views. There's no how in the next 28 days you will not double the number of views your channel currently gets. This is certain. I am speaking from experience, and I know it's going to work for you too. You already know I am rooting for you. What I want for you is to move from where you are right now to where you want to be in your eternal growth, because your success is my success. So if you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, why haven't you? I'd like to be your friend. So connect with me by subscribing to the channel. See you in my next video.